Okay, AI is here. Some people are worried. Every field, discipline, profession, and even career paths are at risk. And certainly there are specific career paths, jobs and professions that may be at most risks than others. But with the medical field being a big center of attraction, of doctors being extinct, should you still be a doctor? Here's the truth. First, we will take a step back and explore a story that reveals the true impact of AI in healthcare. For the rest of this video, let's identify an aspiring doctor. Will. This is a story of Will and how he overcame the fairy tale of how AI is replacing doctors. The story begins in a medical school lecture hall, where a professor addresses a group of students, including our protagonist, Will. AI is revolutionizing healthcare. It's changing how we diagnose, treat, and manage diseases. But remember, it's here to assist us, not replace us. Meet Will, a first-year medical student, passionate about helping others and fascinated by the potential of AI. Will often wondered, is there still a place for doctors in this high-tech future? The doctor explains to dearest Will, AI can analyze data faster than we ever could, pinpointing patterns we might miss, but it cannot hold a patient's hand, comfort a grieving family, or understand the subtle nuances of human emotions. Will saw firsthand how AI tools enhance the doctor's ability to make quick, accurate diagnoses, allowing more time to focus on patient care. This blend of technology and empathy reassured Will that the role of a doctor was more vital than ever. AI is like a powerful ally in the medical field. It handles routine tasks, crunches vast amounts of data, and even predicts potential health issues. But it's the doctors who interpret this data, make critical decisions, and provide compassionate care. For example, during a patient's case where a complex analysis is suggested by the help of an artificial intelligence, doctors may consider discussing around a round table as to what mechanism and structures to put in place for executing the suggested AI's idea, or if not to execute it at all. The AI suggests this treatment based on recent studies. What do you think?
Let's consider the patient's history and preferences. We need to tailor our approach.
AI supports doctors by providing valuable insights, but the human touch, the ability to understand a patient's unique story, remains irreplaceable. Our dearest Will, not still sure about this, decided to take a visit to his mentor, and the discussion led to his yield and succumb to finally accepting the reality. Technology is a tool, Will. It can make you a better doctor, but it will never replace your critical thinking and empathy. Will realized that embracing AI didn't mean losing the essence of being a doctor. It meant becoming a more effective, knowledgeable, and compassionate healer. Now, Will has graduated as a medical doctor. His journey shows that the future of healthcare is bright, combining the best of human and artificial intelligence. Doctors like Will are at the forefront of this exciting transformation. Will, now being a medical doctor who understands the essence of AI in healthcare, was invited to speak at the occasion of the orientation ceremony of the newly admitted batch of medical students as official orator. Will speaks, AI is here to enhance our abilities, not to take our place. As future doctors, you will have the privilege to blend cutting-edge technology with the timeless art of healing. Embrace it, and you'll make a profound difference in the world. As I said from the very beginning of this video, AI is only here to help and not to wipe. Let's embrace the change and embrace technology to make better decisions as doctors. To all aspiring doctors out there, know this. The world needs your compassion, your skills, and your dedication. With AI by your side, you will be unstoppable. But wait, don't go just yet. What's your say on this topic? Do you really think AI could replace doctors in the farthest future? Let's have this dialogue in the comment section. I will definitely be replying to your thoughts. If you want to learn more about the future of healthcare, biotechnology, medicine, or science in general, I urge you to subscribe and join this channel, and let's learn together. I'll see you in the next episode. As always, embrace the future of medicine, become a doctor,